2020 has been a year that no one could have imagined, creating challenges for all of us. But with every crisis comes opportunity, and PCMA wants to help business event leaders shift the tone of 2021 from crisis to recovery. And if you've not heard of PCMA, we are the world's largest platform for MICE professionals and business event strategists. PCMA's success is driven by a commitment to providing provocative, executive-level education and certification, as well as networking and business intelligence to our global audience of professionals and students. And we believe that recovery has already begun in Asia Pacific. And about a month ago, almost 600 of you gathered digitally and face-to-face as part of our Convening Asia Pacific Global Recovery Forum held in Sydney, Australia. This was PCMA's first event since February. PCMA wants to keep the business events recovery momentum going in Asia Pacific, and we're committed to provide you with the right skills and information to build on the momentum created. We believe that success in recovery for all of us starts with understanding how the economic fallout from the pandemic, shifting geopolitics, and technological evolution impact our businesses and careers. And to help us make sense of all of this, our opening keynote is New York Times Foreign Affairs columnist and best-selling author Thomas Friedman. And we'll provide you with a blueprint for overcoming the stresses and challenges in an ever-changing world. And this will be streamed from our global broadcast centre in Singapore via Marina Bay Sands hybrid event studio. PCMA believes the future of business events is omnichannel, allowing for greater audience connections and personal experiences. And at CL21, we will show you what that looks like. We'll be digital through our global broadcast centre in Singapore, connecting business event professionals around the world via Marina Bay Sands hybrid event studio. And we will also offer a local option in Singapore for you to have a face-to-face experience. You can be part of the CL21 experience as, when, and where you wish. We know that making connections is crucial during convening leaders. And sadly, the pandemic has created widespread displacement and disruption of your critical relationships. And we all know that the best conversations are always in the kitchen. And at CL21, we will help you recreate these through our CL21 micro communities and conversation starters. These connections are made possible through our next generation AI-enabled Juno event platform. So we hope to get you in the kitchen at some stage. We know that money is tight everywhere, but we also believe that the best way to ensure that your careers, businesses and communities are ready for recovery is to connect and gather. And we want to make it affordable for as many people possible to participate at this year's event. And we're doing this through our simplified pricing structure. Whether it's face-to-face or digital, whether you're a planner or a supplier, members will pay $295 for 3 days of connections and insights. Or if you're really smart, I'd get a group of your friends up to 10, and you can actually get a discount of $199 per person for that, up to 10 people. And for non-members, you'll pay US $450. And this is a discount of 75% from last year. But for the real bargain, I'd say to you, sign up as a member and get that deal. There's no doubt how brutal this year has been for all of us, but we know that recovery is happening, and we all need to be ready for the opportunities that recovery will bring to our careers, our businesses, and our communities. This is your time to be ready for recovery, and it starts at Convening Leaders 2021. Now, if you're interested in an exclusive sneak peek on CL21 before the event goes live, check out our free webinar series where we'll be able to talk about how we pull this together, demonstrate our Juno event platform, and much more. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you at Convening Leaders 2021 in January.